Hi, you are welcome to the Real Pick YT YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell about Bob Marley. He was born on February 6 in 1945 in St. Anne Parish, Jamaica. Marley helped introduce reggae music to the world and remains one of the genre's most beloved artists to this day. The son of black teenage mother and much older later absent white father. He spent his early years in St. Anne Parish in the rural village known as Nile Mills. One of his childhood friends in St. Anne was Neville Bunny or Ray Livingstone. According to the same school, the two shared a love of music. Bunny inspired Marley to learn to play the guitar. Later, Livingstone's father and Marley's mother become involved and they are lived together for a time in Kingston. According to Christopher John Frears, before the legend The Rise of Bob Marley. Arriving in Kingston in the late 1950s, Marley lived in Trent Town, one of the city's poorest neighborhoods. He struggled in poverty, but he found inspiration in the music around him. Trent Town had a number of successful local performers and was considered the Motown of Jamaica. Sounds from the United States also referred in over the radio, and although Jack Bosses, Marley liked such artists as Ray Charles, Elvis Presley, Fats Domino, and the Referred. Marley and Livingstone devoted music of their time to music. Under the guidance of Joe Higgins, Marley worked on improving his singing abilities. He met another student of Higgins, Peter, who would play an important role in Marley's career. The local radio producer Leslie Kong liked Marley's vocal and had him record a few singles, the first of which was Judge Not, released in 1962. While he did not fare well as solo artist, Marley found some success joining Focus with his friends. In 1963, Marley, Livingstone and Peter formed the Violin Wireless. Their first single, Simmer Down, went to the top of Jamaican chart in January 1964. By this time, the group also included Junior, Braithwaite, Beverly, Kelso, and Cherry Smith. The group became quite popular in Jamaica, but they had difficulty making it financially. Braithwaite, Kelso, and Smith left the group. The remaining members drifted apart from a time. Marley went to the United States where his mother was now living. However, before he left, he married Rita Anderson on February 10 in 1966. After 8 months, Marley returned to Jamaica. He returned with Livingstone and Peter too from the Wireless. Around this time, Marley was exploring his spiritual side and developing a growing interest in the Rastafarian movement. Both religious and political, the Rastafarian movement began in Jamaica in 1930 and drew its beliefs from many sources, including Jamaican nationalist Marcus Garvey, the Old Testament, and their African heritage and culture. For a time in the later 1960s, Marley worked with pop singer John Nash. Nash scored a worldwide hit with Marley's song Stir It Up. The Wireless also worked with producer Lee Perry during this era. Some of their successful songs together were Trench Town Trop, Soul, Rebel and 400 Years. The Wireless added two new members in 1970, bassist Aston Family Man Bharat and his brother Drew Carlton. The following year, Marley worked on movie soundtrack in Sweden with Johnny Nash. The Wireless got their big break in 1972 when they landed a contract with Island Records, founded by Charis Blackwell. For the first time, the group hit the studio to record a full album. The result was the critically acclaimed Catch a Fire. To support the record, the Wireless toured Britain and United States in 1973, performing as an opening act for both Bruce Springsteen and Sly and the Family Stone. That same year, the group released their second full album, Bernie, featuring the hit song One Shot the Sheriff. Rock legend Eric Clapton released a cover of the song in 1974, and it became a #1 hit in the United States. Before releasing their next album, 1975, Natty D. Reid, two of the three original Wireless, left the group. Peter and Livingston decided to pursue solo careers as Peter Tosh and Bernie Wailer, respectively. Natty D. Reid reflected some of the political tension in Jamaica between the People's Nation Party and the Jamaica Labour Party. Violence sometimes erupted due to these conflicts. Rebel music was inspired by Marley's one experience of being stopped by army members late one night prior to the 1972 national election, and revolution was interpreted by many as Marley's endorsement for the PNP. For their next tour, the Wireless performed with I-Trees, a female group whose members include Marish Griffith, Judy Mowatt and Marley's wife, Rita, now called Bob Marley and the Wireless. The group toured extensively and helped increase Ray's popularity abroad. In Britain in 1975, they scored their first top 40 hit with No Woman No Cry. Already a much admired star in his native Jamaica, Marley was on his way to becoming an international music icon. He made the US music charts with the album Testament Vibration in 1976. One track stands out as an exposition of his devotion to his faith and his interest in political change. War. The song's earrings were taken from a speech by Haile, the 20th century Ethiopian emperor, who is seen as a type of spiritual lead in the Rastafarian movement. A battle cry for freedom from oppression, the song discusses a new Africa, one without the racial hierarchy enforced by colonial rule. Traveling to Europe, Marley underwent unconventional treatment in Germany and was subsequently able to fight off the cancer for months. It soon became clear that Marley did not have much longer to live. However, so the musician set out to return to his beloved Jamaica one last time. Sadly, he would not manage to complete the journey, dying in the Miami, Florida on May 11 in 1981. Shortly before his death, Marley had received the Order of Merit from the Jamaica government. He had also been awarded the Medal of Peace from the United Nations in 1980. Hated by the people of Jamaica, Marley was given a hero's send-off. More than 30,000 people paid their respects to the musician during his memorial service, held at the National Heron in Kingston, Jamaica. Greta, Marley, Griffiths, Jody Mountain, and Wailers performed at the ceremony. I think you enjoyed this story, so stay with us to find out what you didn't know about this world. And don't forget to subscribe Real Pic YT YouTube channel. Have a nice day.